In today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best micro FPV racing drone in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these micro FPV racing drone, you can check out the description below. Number 5. HUBSAN H122DX4 Storm Micro FPV Racing Drone, RTF, Black Standard Version. HUBSAN H122DX4 Storm integrates the features of a racing drone in the FPV quadcopter. The innovative aircraft uses the carbon fiber frame, which improves the resistance to crash. With the 720p HD camera, you can capture stunning photos and videos from the special aerial angle. More importantly, it is much easier to be controlled. The easy-to-use app makes all the functions easily accessible, including 5.8G FPV, 1-key takeoff. The drone can also fly after a moving object automatically. Durable carbon fiber frame with powerful coreless motors. 5.8G FPV, 720p HD camera, access to app control. Frame material, carbon fiber, motor type, coreless, battery. 7.6 V2S 710 mAh LiPo, camera, built-in 720p HD camera, memory card. 4GB TF card, external memory, up to 32 GB, class 4, not included, transmitter. 2.4 GHz Bluetooth, app download, QR code on user manual, compatible system, Android, iOS. MIRAROBOT S85 Micro FPV Racing Drone 720p camera, bright orange BNF with Frsky receiver. Racing drone for violent FPV flight. 720p 600 TVL HD 120-degree wide-angle camera for real-time image transmission, automatic stabilization function for stable flight, 3 flight modes to choose, 3-axis mode, 6-axis mode, barometric mode, 1-key flip to control the drone flip easily. 8520 motor. 500 mAh high-voltage battery. 150 meters remote control distance. 2.4 G6CH. Number 3. Number 3, HB64X Micro FPV Racing Drone 64mm Wheelbase F3 OSD, White PNP, no receiver. Model, HB64X, item name. 64mm F3 OSD Micro FPV Racing Drone, Wheelbase. 64mm, the thickness of the carbon fiber frame. 1mm. PNP, without receiver, BNF, with Frsky FS, RX2A, Frsky D8, or DSMX DSM2 receiver. F3 Flight Controller, item name, F3 AIOOSD Beck Flight Controller, model, TF3, OSD, 1S, MCU, STM32F303CCT6, 72 MHz, 256K flash, MPU, MPU 6000, firmware, Beta Flight 3 Omnibus, input voltage, 1S, Beck. 5V0.5A, OSD, Beta Flight OSD, built-in LC filter, support programmer LED, with buzzer port, size. 20x25mm, mounting hole. 16x16mm, M2, support PPMS bus DSMX DSM2 receiver. Notice, DSMX DSM2 receiver power via 3.3 VPAD, UARTRX3, PPMS bus receiver power via 5 VPAD. HBFPV0603, 20000, kilovolts motor, item name. 0603, 20000, kilovolts brushless motor, KV. 20,000 kilovolts, stator diameter. 6mm, stator's height. 3mm, shaft diameter. 1mm, working voltage. 1S, 3.0V 4.35V, mounting hole. 5.5 x 1.6 mm, full throttle pull. 24 grams, weight. 1.6 grams. TBS 5A5ABL Heli, SESC, item name. 5ABL Heli, S brushless ESC, model, TBS 5A, con. Current. 5A, peak current. 6A, firmware, BL Heli, S16.7, input voltage. 1S LiPo, 3.3V 4.35V, size 20x25mm, include pad, mounting hole. 16x16mm, M2, support Dondashot, multi-shot, PWM, D-shot 150 300 600. Propeller, item name, HB 3131mm 1.0mm hole 3-blade propeller. FPV transmitter AIO camera module model. 199C, CH. 1648CH switchable, power. 25 megawatts, camera. 800 TVL FOV 150° HD camera. Suggested battery, not included. 1S 3.8V 4.35V HV 260 mAh 30C 60C LiPo battery, plug connector, pH 2.0. Number 2. DT 145mm Micro FPV Racing Drone, Black PNP. Wheelbase. 140mm arm plate thickness. 3mm bottom plate thickness. 3mm side plate thickness. 1.5mm material, carbon fiber. AMU, MCU 6000 CPU, STM32F405RGT6. Black box, flash 16M input voltage. To 4S LiPo built-in Betaflight OSD to adjust PIDBAC output. 5V3A size. 25x25mm board, 20mm mounting holes, M2, support subs ppm DSMX receiver. Input voltage. To 4S LiPo battery constant current. 28A peak current. 30A back output, no firmware, Heli, S16.6 size. 27x27mm, main board, 31x31mm, including pad, installing hole. 20x20mm, M2 CPU, Silab ZFM8BB 2148 MHz. Output power, PIT 25 MW 100 MW 200 MW 350 MW switchable video system, NTSC PAL antenna, IPEX frequency. 5.8 GHz 6 bands 48 channels. Horizontal resolution. 600 TVL lens. 2.5mm lens FOV. 130 degree, 2.5mm, signal system, PAL NTSC. KV. 3600 kilovolts battery, LiPo. To 4S spindle diameter. 14mm spindle length. 8mm out shaft diameter. 5mm without batteries and transmitter. Number 1. Makerfire Armor 67mm Micro FPV Racing Drone, BNF, black and red with DSM2 receiver. Makerfire Armor 67mm Micro FPV Racing Drone is an incredible brushless palm-sized racer with F3 flight controller, 1103-10000 kilovolts high RPM motor and 4-in-1 BL Heli, S10 AESC for flying at a furious speed. The integrated carbon fiber frame serves as an excellent protection for everything inside, effectively ensuring the durability of the drone. Therefore, it is resistant to considerable impact from the outside, giving you a more carefree flight. Powerful and stable 1103-10000 kilovolts brushless motor and 1535 4-blade propellers high-performance F3 flight controller with Betaflight OSD, 4-in-1 BL Heli, S10 AESC integration of 600 TVL camera, 5.8G 48CH 25 MW VTX, and 3 dBi whip antenna impact-resistant 3K full carbon fiber frame protects the propellers, motors and so on. 400 mAh 7.4 V2S 30C LiPo battery provides you with about 5 minutes flying. Flight controller, Betaflight F3 6-off with OSD flight controller firmware, Betaflight Omnibus brushless motor. 1103-10000 kilovolts brushless ESC. 4-in-1 BL Heli, S10A propeller. 1535 4-blade camera. 1/4-inch CMOS 600 TVL field of view. 120-degree TV system, NSTC PAL auto video transmitter. 5.8G 48CH 25 MW battery. 400 mAh 7.4 V2S 30C LiPo weight. 63 grams, with battery, 41.3 grams, without battery. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, Please click the like button below. Share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.